Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Hanner, and today we're going to talk about grammar. We're going to talk about is and are, and also commas and dates. We're in Unit 3, Week 4. So you will need paper, pencil, and your wonderful voice. So today we are going to talk about is and are. We're also going to talk about commas and dates. So the verbs is and are tell about action happening now. So use the verb is to tell about one person, place, or thing. So we have an example here. Chad is home. So Chad is one person. So we use the word is as our verb. Chad is home. Use the verb are to tell about more than one person, place, or thing. So our example is mom and dad are home. So mom and dad is more than one person. So we're going to use are as our verb in the sentence. So remember, when we're talking and speaking about one person, place, or thing, we're going to use the word is. We're talking about more than one person, place, or thing. We're going to use the word are. So I have a sentence here, and I want you to write down the verb in each sentence. And if they're talking about one or more person, place, or thing. Okay? So our sentence here says, the sun is up. You could pause the video. Are we talking about more than one person or place or thing? One person, place, or thing? I want you to also tell me what is our verb in the sentence. Right, the verb is. And that verb tells about one. The sun is one. It is one star, nothing else. So it's going to use the word is in the sentence. Next sentence. Jonathan and Taylor are at school. What are our verbs in the sentence, or what is our verb in the sentence? As well as, are we talking about one person, place, or thing? Or are we talking about more than one person, place, or thing? Go ahead, write it down, pause your video. Right, the verb was are. The verb tells about more than one. So Jonathan and Taylor, that's two people, two students that are at school. So we are going to use the word are. Here we go. The cat is on the step. What is our verb in a sentence? And are we talking about one person, place, or thing? Or more than one person, place, or thing? Go ahead, pause your video, write it down. Right. Is the verb, and this tells about one. This verb tells about one. The dogs are with Mike. What do you know about this sentence? Not going to give you any hints. Let's see. The verb tells about more than one. We're talking about dogs. There's more than one dog. So our verb that we are going to use in our sentence is are. So we're going to play a quick game. All right, so here's our game. Tim blank passing the ball. So we're going to plug in if we need to use what we're going to use is or are in the sentence. Tim blank passing the ball. What do you think? I'm sorry, the ball to Matt. So are we talking about one person or more than one? All right, let's try is. Check it.
Good job.
All right. Keep going. Steve and Jen blank late for school. We talking about one person, place, or thing? Or more than one person, place, or thing? What do you think? All right. Are Steve and Jen are late for school?
Good job.
Good job. I'm going to say it too. Chad blank making a cake. It is, are, or am. Chad blank making a cake. Is Chad one or more than one.
Fantastic.
All right, we'll do one more. Kate and Grant blank tossing a ball. Is or was. Kate and Grant blank tossing a ball.
Excellent work.
Right, Kate and Grant, we're talking about one person. So now we're going to practice putting commas in a date. So use commas in a date between the day and the date number, and between the date number and the year. For example, today is Monday, so your day of the week, you get a comma. May 8th, so after the date number, that's what the date number is, you get a comma, and you keep going. So remember, after your day of the week and after your date number, all right, in the year. Very good, right in between there. So you can think about it being after that number or in between the date number and the year. So let's put commas in the date. We have two sentences, and you're going to choose, is A correct or is B correct? So A says, I will see Grant on Friday, June 16th, 2017. B says, I will see Grant on Friday, June 16th, 2017. Which sentence is correct? You can pause your video. You can say it out loud. You can write it down. Which one is correct? Right. A is correct. A was definitely correct. There were commas in between or after the day of the week and in between your date number and your year. Very good. One more sentence. Let's put commas in this date. So we have two choices. We have today is Monday, August 14th, 2017, and B, today is Monday, August 14th, 2017. Which one sounds right and which one is written right? Just think about the rules that we said to put commas in the date. B was correct. Let's see. B, we have a comma after our day of the week and in between our date number and our year. Very, very good. So now, stupendous job, everyone. Now you know when to use is and are in a sentence. Is when you're speaking about one person, place, or thing. Are is when you're speaking of more than one person, place, and thing. When placing commas in a sentence, the commas go after the days of the week and the number date. Until next time.